Hey, what's up guys? Phil here with Transfer Superstars. I'm over here with Katia at Los Angeles Apparel. So we were walking by and I was always looking for nice streetwear apparel. These things really stuck in mind here. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the items that they have.
Hi guys, so right here is one of our most popular items. It's gonna be the HF09 in ash. It's gonna be a 14 ounce. It's kind of a vintage vibe, 80s boxy fit, drop shoulder. It's one of our classic pieces and one of our top sellers. And we have a beautiful variety of colors. We have the off black, dolphin blue, cement. You know, we have all these beautiful things. And we could also do custom color if you would like. Since we are located in South Central Los Angeles and we have access to that. We cut, we sew, and we dye in South Central Los Angeles, and we also knit our fabric. Wow. We get our cotton from Carolina, so it's all American made, you know, which puts us ahead of everyone else.
And what I've noticed is that there's matching color shorts with that. There's also sweatpants as well.
That's right. You get a full set.
So you got the full set that we can decorate on. And besides this set right here, what was also cool is we saw some slides that they said that we might be able to heat press on. So what we're gonna do is also try this. So make sure you guys stay tuned and watch our videos. But these are pretty cool. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, new development, you know. We have this huge machine. It looks crazy in the factory, but we just developed this one. We've been working on it for like 2 years. It was really heavy in the beginning, and now it's getting lighter, and softer. It's really comfortable, and you know, we're playing around with the heat press transfers and what looks best. So that's really exciting. Mind you, I just wanted to let everyone know that our brand is unisex. So it's going to be catering to everyone, fluid, gender, whatever, you know, whatever you identify as. We're unisex, you know. That's what's cool about our brand, is anyone could wear it.
Well, while we're on that topic, let's take a look at some of the colors that they offer.
Yeah. So we just came out with our neons, which are really, really cool. You know, they're really edgy neons, I think. You know, look at this beautiful purple. We also have this neon green, which I love. Like, neons are really just coming back into fashion. And again, we're at the forefront of fashion. We dictate what's fashionable. We work with a lot of dope brands and music artists, you know, that love our ability to create all these beautiful colors. And, you know, we have more neutral palettes right here coming through, like the mauve. We have the blues that are also gorgeous. We have really talented creative designers that are working for our company that are able to have that creative eye and really bring out the beauty in the world and through these colors, basically. Also, our new addition as well is gonna be the socks, which are matching our tees, which is really cool. If we come here closer, we have more earth tones. We got the ivy, okay? We got the brass. We got chocolate. I love chocolate. It's one of my faves. And if we step over here, we have our newest addition.
This is my favorite.
Boom, right here. We just added it into the collection. I'm really excited about it. It's the mineral wash. And a little bit about the process of this is that basically we have these blocks. We have this chemical agent that's bleach, and you soak it into these blocks, and these blocks are put into the wash with the garment, and so that's how this washed out look comes about. And so this is our new addition, which
what model is this again?
This is going to be the 1801 MW.
Got it.
Stands for mineral wash.
Awesome.
And this is carbon black. We got the limestone, which is also gorgeous. And I think that's going to be one of our top sellers, more for like the edgy, more fashion forward brands. Yeah. So yeah, these are 6.5 ounce. Most of these are garment dyed. That's a mineral wash. Again, we have the ability to custom dye as well for a 300 minimum. Other than that, all of these pieces are available in stock for no minimums.
Sounds good. And where can they order this from?
From us directly, from our wholesale website, LosAngelesApparel.net. We have our wholesale link there on the top, and that's how you access our wholesale.
And you said, again, there's no minimums?
There's going to be no minimums on everything we have in the catalog and everything we have on the website.
Sounds good.
So you go on the website, you register, you just have to have a tax ID number associated with your business, then you get approved, and then you could shop with us just like any website.
And how's the inventory on this? Is there like a live inventory, or is there stock notifications? How does that work?
We have everything in stock. Especially like our black and our white tees, like are for sure always in stock. And we're very good with that just because we are local and we manufacture in-house. So we're constantly, aware. We have an incredible buyer. And so that's why we have an upper hand, is because we're just working with the product, we're working with the manufacturing. We just do the cut tickets, we initiate the production because we're right there, right in-house, and that's why we don't have that delay and wait of the product, to the client, to the customer.
Got it. So, they have a great product. I love the colorways. I haven't seen some of those mineral washes here myself. We'll definitely be checking them out. We'll also be trying out their slides so that we can press on them. And best thing yet is they're local to us. We're also in Los Angeles. So make sure you guys check them out. Visit their website. We'll drop a description below. Thank you again for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Yes.